guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and first let me address two elephants in the room. So the first one is obvious. Yes, I have braids in. I've never worn braids here on my channel. FYI, back in high school I used to wear braids all the time, and I think I just got pretty much tired of them and I needed something new. So that's when I started doing the quick weaves, sew-ins and stuff like that. But yeah, I have been completely fed up with my hair to the point where I had to put these braids back in, and I wish I would have filmed a video for it, but I did not. But I will in the future, so be on the lookout for that. Also, I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all don't want to hear nothing I'm talking about because I have been missing for over a month now, and I would like to apologize for that. If you guys have seen my community tab, I did post something about that maybe a week ago, about 2 weeks ago or something like that. And I also posted something a few days ago just basically saying that I have been feeling under the weather for some time, and then life happened, so I really wasn't in the mood to film. But I am feeling a whole lot better, and I am ready to start back putting these videos out there. So I want to thank everyone who has still been supporting me while I've been on my break, and I appreciate each and every last one of y'all, so thank you. So about 2 weeks ago I went out of town for the weekend, and I packed my travel makeup bag, and I have yet to unpack it. So I decided that I would share with you guys what I carry in my travel makeup bag because I do enjoy watching these types of videos. I didn't know exactly what type of makeup looks I wanted to do, so I did pack quite a bit, and I honestly didn't use half of the items that I brought with me, but it's better to have them with you than to not have what you need when you're ready to do your makeup. So I'll be showing you guys what I took with me out of town, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So this is my little makeup bag. It's nothing fancy at all. This is just a little bag that I believe came from Bath and Body Works, that had the lotion and the perfume that came with it. So this is what I'm using for my makeup bag. So I would like to say there are two things that I don't have in here, which are makeup wipes because I don't have any more, and also setting spray because I don't have any more. I ran out, so I have to go re-up on those items. But first, I guess I will start off with what's on top. So I'm going to start off with my lippies that I did take with me. So if you guys did not know, I love a red lip, I love pink lips, and like a nude type of lip. So like I stated, I didn't know exactly what type of makeup look I wanted to do while I was out of town, so I brought quite a few. The first one I bought with me to travel with is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Lippy, and this is in the shade Rebel Rose, which is just a super cute rosy pink color. I also have this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Dusty Rose. I also have this Nana Cocoa lip gloss from your local beauty supply store. This is in a shade Hidden Desire. It's a super cute pinky lip gloss. It's super cute. I absolutely love these. If you guys are not familiar with Nana Cocoa, check by your local beauty supply store, and I promise you will be in love with these. And they're only like maybe $1.99 or $2.99. I also took along with me this NYX Perfect Red lipstick, and I also took with me this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, which is also another pretty pink. The next thing I have in here is another lipstick from NYX. This is from their Pinup collection, or their Pinup Pout collection, and this is in the shade Revolution, and it's just another red. So of course you need beauty blenders with you while you are traveling. So this Real Techniques and these two beauty blenders, which are from Walmart. I'm not exactly sure of the brand, but yeah. The next thing I have in my travel makeup bag is this black opal finishing powder, and this is in the shade dark. And I've actually had this one for quite some time, but I ran out of my favorite finishing powder that I always use. So since I have been neglecting this powder, I decided to travel with this because I need to use it up, and I actually do like it, so I don't know why I was neglecting it. The next thing I have in my travel makeup bag is, of course, my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I haven't came across any other setting powder that works this good for dark skin just yet, but if you guys know of any, let me know. So of course I had to travel with this. The next thing I have in here is this e.l.f. contour palette, and this is in the shade Turks and Caicos. And I honestly only brought this for the mirror because I don't really use what's on the inside anymore. So I also have a pair of Cara lashes. Of course, y'all know I don't really wear lashes like that because your girl simply just don't know how to put them on, but I have been trying. I have been working on it, so I decided to take these along with me. But obviously I did not use them because they are not worn. So yeah, and this is in, I believe, Wispy. The next thing I have in my travel makeup bag is my go-to primer, which is the Maybelline Master Prime Primer, and it's the Blur and Illuminator, and it's just a go-to. There's nothing fancy about it at all. I actually need to go purchase some more primer because I'm tired of using this, but if you guys don't know, I don't like to waste money, so that's why you guys haven't been seeing me like review new makeup like that, because I need to use up what I have, because half the stuff I have here I don't even use often at all. The next thing I have in my travel makeup bag are these two mascaras. This is my all-time favorite, which is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I have so many backups of this. If you guys are like me and you don't know how to apply fake eyelashes, or you just don't like eyelashes and you want your natural lashes to pop, definitely give these a try. I have so many backups behind me, but of course I had to travel with this. This is my favorite. And then I also took along with me this Rimmel Super Curler 24-hour mascara, and lately I have been liking this as well. So the next thing I have in here is my brow pencil, which is from my beauty supply store. This is a clear color brow pencil with the sharpener on the end, and this is in the shade dark brown, and of course this was like 99 cents and I have been loving it. The next two things I have in my travel makeup bag are two highlighters. One is the MAC Gold Deposit, and then I also have the Nika K Perfection in Inca, and these are kind of similar, but lately I have been using them together. Don't know why, but I just like the way it looks, so I have these two highlighters in here. The next thing I carried with me was this Black Radiance pressed powder in a shade Black Coffee, and I used this to contour with because it is like the perfect brown shade. So if you guys are around my color and you are looking for something very affordable to contour with, definitely give this a try. I also have two concealers, which are my go-to concealers. These are the LA Girl Pro Concealers. I have Chestnut and Fun, my favorite concealers from the whole entire line. And I actually need to re-up because these are running super low. I also have quite a few back here as well. I also took 3 foundations with me. The first foundation I took with me was the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation in the shade 11.0. Now with this foundation, I have actually been using it as like a concealer for my brows and just concealer that I can use on my face, because I don't know if I've just been getting darker, but this shade just does not match my skin tone anymore, and it does look super good as a concealer. So the next two foundations I took along with me was Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in the shade 360, and I also took along the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in a shade D70, because these are matte foundations, and where I was going, it was kind of hot. So if you guys don't know, I am very oily, so I always like to use matte foundations. And I also took along these tweezers to help me apply lashes, which obviously I did not use at all. I also have this gloss in here, which is a Broadway gloss from my local beauty supply store, 99 cents. And y'all, these lip glosses are super bomb if you love a glossy lip. So took that along with me. I have a LA Color black eyeliner from my local beauty supply store, like 99 cents for eyeliner. I also took along another eyebrow pencil. This is the J Cat's Perfect Brow Pencil, but I only took it along for the spoolie because I don't have any more pencil left in here. And last but not least, guys, are my makeup brushes, which I did clean these brushes before I went out of town, but I have been using them, so I need to go clean them again. So these are the brushes that I took with me, and a few of these I did not use either. So those were all of the items that I carry in my travel makeup bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoy watching these videos, so I hope someone out there enjoyed watching this video. If you did, of course, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, you know, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye.